Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. What aggravates a hiatal hernia? So we have a patient here that's been treating with us for hiatal hernia. We're doing the hiatal hernia maneuver on him, and you were doing really well actually after even I think the first treatment or second, right?
Yes.
So how much improvement did you have before this relapse?
About 50% improvement.
So he had about 50% improvement in his symptoms, and then he had a relapse over the weekend, and he came in saying, oh, I had a bad weekend, and that's what prompted me to do this video. So what aggravates a hiatal hernia? Well, for him, it was a large meal. So if you eat a large meal and you're not chewing properly, food can get stuck in there and it can create a lot of bloating, acid reflux, and just difficulty swallowing, okay? So that can aggravate it. Constipation. So make sure you're eating a high fiber diet if you are constipated. Bending down to pick up your child incorrectly and not bending at the knees. Bending to pick up weights without bending at the knees. And without breathing properly, right? Same thing as constipation. Constipation, you're not breathing, you're pushing out, building abdominal pressure in here. Same thing goes with working out or exercising or lifting something heavy. If you don't breathe properly, you're gonna build up that abdominal pressure. Other things that can create or aggravate a hiatal hernia or acid reflux would be slouching or sitting all day long, slouching on the couch, poor posture, poor breathing habits, things like that. So I hope that helps you, and I hope you guys get the help that you need to fix your hiatal hernia. Again, medications and surgery are two of the answers. The third, and I feel the best answer, is to have the hiatal hernia maneuver done, have the stomach pulled down like we're doing with him. And yes, there's gonna be relapses. There's gonna be times where it gets re-aggravated or re-herniated because it does attach to the spine via the ALL, the anterior longitudinal ligament, and it does move up and down from time to time. That's why when you get an endoscopy, sometimes he may not see the hiatal hernia. You may not have it at that moment, okay? Thanks for tubing in. Appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.